breakfast this morning is rolled oats, small bananas, some pineapple and a cup of tea. And the sun is finally shining. Starting off as I wish to proceed this year, my eldest grandchild was here, so we took a walk along the beach. We saw some rather interesting things while we were down there. We were following a piece of seaweed as it was moving along the ocean and watching as the waves slowly brought it in. Well, we were so surprised when it actually landed, and it had, I'm not sure whether it's eggs or whether it was jellyfish, but it was really, really strange. I've never seen anything like it. My garden needs some trimming. I've actually got in here, I can show you, a broccoli. The parsnip are doing really well, and these flowers are really blooming. Oh look, that bee is so tiny. Can you see? Oh, it's flitting around. I've never seen one so small. The cosmos is really coming away. Everything has just gone mad with all the rain that we've had. So I've got some cleaning up to do here. My tomato plant is leaning over, so I've got to tidy that up, and I need to take out all these radish plants. They've all flowered. I don't know if there's any seeds to collect off them, but the bees are really enjoying them. These carrots are doing really well, but I thought I might have had a rabbit in here because the other carrots that I've planted look like they've been dug up, but the spring onions have come up. And on here we have tomatoes in here, if you can see them. And in here we have some tomatoes. So yeah, everything's gone mad. We have, oh look, tomato plants even come through the fence here. But we have snow peas, and we have potatoes, which are nearly ready. Some of the flowers have died off. I've got a tub here ready to plant something in. I've got to go and get some more plants. So everything's sort of in need of some care since Christmas. The lavender is really coming away here. I'm really pleased with that. And the Pahutakawa is the last lot of flowering. Over here, these tomatoes will probably be the first to ripen. These are the cherry tomatoes, and there's quite a few on here, so I can't wait for that. But this plant has just gone absolutely mad. I just have to keep staking it. Our mint has gone absolutely bonkers, and so has our flat leaf parsley. So yeah, see the tomatoes in down there, and our potato crop are all starting to flower, so they're not far off either. Some tidying up to do, so that is what I'm going to do today. But yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. I've just been for a walk down the beach. I've taken some photos and I'll share those with you. I hope everybody's having a wonderful new year and that things are starting to take shape where you are. Completed about an hour of gardening, so I'm now going to have some lunch, which is some hummus, carrot sticks, an apple, and a bottle of water. It is getting very hot out there today.